In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate emails to Google Workspace. To get started, sign in to the Google Admin Console using a Super Administrator account. This is important because standard user accounts usually won't have permission to access the migration settings. Once you are in the Admin Console, look over to the left-hand menu and select Data. From there, choose Data Import and Export, and then click Data Import to open the migration tool. It's helpful to know that as of April 2026, Google's newer data migration service is called the Data Import tool. It also includes an advanced mode for larger, more complex migrations, which can be especially useful if you are moving a high volume of mailboxes or working in a business environment. So if the interface looks a little different from older tutorials, that's completely normal. Inside the tool, you will be asked to choose your migration source. This is where you tell Google where the email data is coming from. For example, you might select Gmail, Microsoft Exchange, or another IMAP server, depending on your previous email provider. After choosing the correct source, go ahead and select Import to move to the next stage. Next, enter the server information and login details for your previous email provider. Make sure this information is accurate, since even a small typo in the server name or account credentials can prevent the connection from working properly. If you are migrating from a provider that supports IMAP, confirm that IMAP access is enabled before continuing, as that can affect whether the import is successful. After that, you will need to map your old email accounts to your new Google Workspace user accounts, also called target users. This step tells the system which old mailbox should be copied into which new Google Workspace inbox. Take your time here and double-check the matches carefully, because correct mapping helps ensure each user receives the right data in the right account. You will also be able to select a date range for the migration. This can be useful if you only want to import messages from a certain period rather than bringing over everything. Once the account mapping and date range are set, find Start Import next to the Data Import Status Report and click it to begin copying the data. At that point, the migration process will begin, and Google Workspace will start importing the selected email data from your previous provider into the corresponding user accounts. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.